This is the Oak Island hike out on Sauvie Island. Sunday, August 10th today, 2008. We are here for one reason: blackberries. We will be picking berries pretty much all day. This is the hike for blackberries. It's pretty much saturated with blackberry bushes the entire 2.5-mile loop. So if you're looking for some blackberries in August, this is where to go. Definitely want to bring long pants, long shirt, or long sleeves. And you don't want sandals, because you have to often step on the vines. It's not necessarily the most scenic hike. It's a road, basically, around Oak Island. So, but it's a nice hike. Mainly the attraction for us is the berries in this particular hike. The picking on the back side of the loop is the best, and because it's surrounded by, on both sides, by blackberry bushes, as you can see, and they are plentiful. Again, bring some cardboard, small rake, something to help get back to them, because the best ones are always hard to get. And we also just ate our lunch right along the trail here. Just parked it in the shade and had some food, snacks.